She went home and she wrote this poem. She called up the minister and said, I want to do this gig on a Sunday morning. And this little 12-year-old punk kid stood in front of her congregation and did this. Rain, come on up.
Why do we listen to the voice of society, tape recorded in each of our brains? It tells us we have to categorize everything we do or say into male or female. Girls can say they like dresses, but not Star Wars. Boys can say they like sports, but not fashion. They say we have to split ourselves up like garbage and recycle. That we have to follow the lead of tradition. But don't be afraid to snap the elastic band of male or female. To be who you are, instead of listening to some stupid recording and staying trapped in the body of a role in a play. Listen to me. Make my words the new recording. I want you to take off all your skin-tight suits. To be the angel that all of you have inside of you. Don't pretend everyone is invincible in their own way. Don't cover up. I'm begging you. Be who you choose. We don't need to be separated because of our other differences. We have to join together again, the way God wanted us to. Ignore racism